Now we're going to look at some multiple choice questions with our circle graphs. So SpongeBob recorded everything he did in one day in a pie graph. The circle below shows everything SpongeBob did in 24 hours. Okay, so remember, first thing before we do anything is we need to find the missing percent. So we've got 30, 20, 12, and 16. 5, 6, 7. So that's 78%. Subtract that from 100 to find our missing percent. And that's going to be 22%. Okay, so the question is what statement below is true about SpongeBob's day according to the pie graph? SpongeBob spent more than half his day working and sleeping. Sleeping is 20 and working is 30. And 30 plus 20% is 50%, but that's not, is SpongeBob spent more than half. Well, that's not more than half, that's exactly half. Okay, SpongeBob spent 5.28 hours hanging out with Patrick. Okay, so we'll do our proportion. Since we have our percent, hanging out with Patrick is 22% over 100. We're using 24 hours for the bottom, and then X. So we'll do 24 times 22. Then we'll divide by 100, so we'll move that over twice, which is 5.38. And so it says to get, hang on, I messed up. You don't borrow. 2 times 2 is 4. 4, there we go. My crap. It's 5.28, and that is going to give us B. Okay, so let's look at the other side. Okay, Farmer Brown has a garden where he's growing vegetables. He made a graph to show how much of his garden is occupied by different types of vegetables. His graph is shown below. Okay, so again, we're going to fill in the tomatoes first. We're going to add everything up, 20, 42, 8, and 18. It's going to give us 88. Subtract that from 100 to find our missing percent, which is 12. Okay, so the question is, Farmer Brown garden has an area of 180 square feet. How many square feet of Farmer Brown is occupied by tomatoes? So we are given our percentage, which is 12 over 100. And then we're going to use 180 feet on the bottom and then X on top. We'll cross, multiply, and divide. So 180 times 12. And then we divide by 100, move our decimal over twice, so we get 21.60, which is C. Okay, so your homework is going to have a circle graph on it, and the rest will be a review.